Hello YouTube. So today we're going to be doing a video on, let me show you here. I have this fully auto minigun. Oh yeah. So let me load it up really fast. Alright, I'm going to pause the video again because I just now loaded it. But I'm going to pause the video again and see you in a second when it's shooting. Alright, here we go. Alright, so that went, the farthest bullet went, let's see here, the farthest bullet, when we were all the way over there, to that blue bucket, or that one leaf sticking up, right there. Shot. Woo! And that's the last bullet. That's the farthest. And it went farthest, second, third, fourth, fifth. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next time. Peace.